Hello, I'm Timothy Holt from Holt's Custom Countertops, and I'm super excited about this current promotion we're doing. This table right here is going to be refurbished for a specific customer. If you're interested in this dining table for your conference room, break room, dining room, you name it, let me know. Tag us in a video of your space with a description of what you envision this table to be finished as. We will be pouring resin on it, so we can mimic any stone, marble, granite. Maybe you want to have it look like ocean waves crashing on a shore or a stormy night sky. We can do any of that. The sky is the limit. Be creative, get your submission in, and the one customer is going to be selected for this table to get it at cost. So instead of spending $800 to $1,000 on this table, you're looking at spending about $250. Great deal for you, great deal for me. Let's get together and make this happen.